Hello guys, I'm Dinesh Kumar from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department. Actually, I made a program called Laptop-based Processor Predictor. Using web scraping and machine learning, I'll show you how I did. Let's dive into the program. First, let me introduce you to the packages I have used. I have used Beautifulsoup for web scraping. First of all, let me see what we are going to web scrap. We are going to web scrap the laptop configuration in what are the processor, the RAM, the OS, the storage, and everything else. We are going to web scrap 5 pages of it, and we are going to create a machine learning bot. It's not like a bot, predictor. I have used Selenium WebDriver because for web scraping I must have a WebDriver to be imported in the program. For that I have used Selenium. I have used Pandas for creating data frames. I have used regular expression for finding the required things. This is the link we are going to use. I have created list of laptop processor, laptop rating, laptop price, because I should scrap the data and I should store it in a list. Afterwards, I have created a for loop for iterating between pages. Here I have used WebDriver for accessing Google Chrome for web scraping. I have got the link, and I have stored in the content. Using Beautifulsoup, I am retrieving the source code, and I am finding the div tags. It means everything will be stored inside the div tag. See here, and the processor, the RAM, the storage, and the other stuff are stored in the div tag, so we can easily retrieve it using that. Here, getting the specification, company, rating, price, actual price, other stuff, and I'm storing in specifications, and separating it using li, and I'm storing it in separate RAM, ROM, specifications, processor, and actual price, and I'm appending into a list, the list I've created, and I'm creating data frames. Company, RAM, ROM, actual price, ratings. Creating a data frame, and I'm doing a label encoding because categorical machine can't understand our language, like categorical data, so I'm converting into machine understandable languages. And I'm treating missing values using simple imputer because missing values can cause improper prediction. And I'm splitting the training and test dataset. And afterwards, after completing the training, you can start. And I'm using sci-kit-learn RandomForestClassifer for the predictions. And I'm plotting the data. Afterwards, congratulations, brain is trained for future predictions. Press any key for entering GUI. Afterwards, we are going to enter the GUI. I have created GUI using Tkinter. I'm gonna get a company, RAM, ROM, actual price, ratings, and I will predict the processor. That's it. Now let's run the module. Actually, it is opening web pages and doing web scraping. Chrome is being controlled by an automated test software, that is our program. It will be opening 5 pages. Now the web scraping is done. It is saying congratulations, brain is trained for future predictions. Press any key for entering GUI mode. Now we have entered into the GUI mode. We must enter the company, ROM, RAM, actual price ratings to predict what processor is best suitable for the laptop. we can choose, we must choose options for the laptop company, because it will be a categorical value. Machine can understand only machine language. I'm entering HP. RAM 8 GB. ROM 512. Not sure price. The best processor in demand is AMD Ryzen 7 quad-core processor.